Okay, good morning, students, and welcome once again. A very warm welcome to the English class today. So, today we are going to start a new chapter from a book, Flamingo, of your 12th class course, English course. So, the name of the chapter is chapter number 4, The Rat Trap. Okay, the author is Selma Lagerlof, and you can see in the beginning about the author where it's written that Selma Lagerlof 1815 to 1940 was a Swedish writer whose stories have been translated into many languages. A universal theme runs through all of them, a belief that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. And this story is set amidst the mines of Sweden, rich in iron ore, which figures large in the history and legends of that country. The story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale. So it's written कि एक universal theme पे run करती हैं इनकी stories, all of them. It's about what? A belief that the essential goodness in a human being, कि जो एक human being के अंदर जो एक essential goodness होती है ना, it can be awakened. उसको आप कभी भी awaken कर सकते हो. How? थ्रू अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड लव, समझ के, अंडरस्टैंडिंग से, लव से. ये जो स्टोरी है इज सेट amidst the mines of Sweden. This story is set amidst the mines of Sweden, which is rich in iron ore, which figure large in the history, जो बहुत ही large बताई गई है in the history and legends of that country. And this story somewhat is in the manner of a fairy tale. Okay, fairy tale sort of story है ये. अब इसमें है क्या वो देखते हैं. Now, random बताती हूँ आपको within 2-3 lines. I'll just explain कि what actually a rat trap. Rat trap आप समझते हो what a rat trap is? Very basic in Hindi if we say चूहेदानी. चूहे को पकड़ने के लिए जो हम चूहेदानी लगाते हैं ना, that is basically a rat trap. Rat trap में चूहे को पकड़ने का what is the procedure? The procedure is that आप उस चूहेदानी के अंदर you put something very tasty eatable डालते हो. That is basically a bait. Bait is चारा, वो आपने डाला. And if the rat अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग को साइड में रखते हुए if gets attracted towards it and goes, वहां चला जाता है लालच के चक्कर में, so what is going to happen? क्या हो जाएगा? The rat trap is going to be closed on him and वो हमेशा के लिए उस चूहेदानी में फंस जाएगा. राइट? तो आपको क्या है ना, in our life it's very common that we continuously time to time on different places we continuously come in contact with what? हमें continuously time to time क्या मिलते रहेंगे? छोटे लालच मिलते रहेंगे, छोटे एंड बड़े दोनों समय के. अगर हमने अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग को कॉर्नर करके एंड अगर हम उस लालच के चक्कर में फंस गए, ठीक है, then what is going to happen? हम उस लालच में फंस जाएंगे. एंड लालच बहुत बुरी बला होता है. हम ऑलवेज ये चीज बोलते हैं that greed has the capability to ruin a life. And once आप कभी झूठ बोल के किसी लालच के चक्कर में अगर आप फंस गए, the chain of speaking we can say false and false, it's a very big, तो उसकी पूरी chain build up हो जाती है and you will never be able to free yourself from that. So the thing is we are going to study here about a man who is a rat trap seller. And that rat trap seller basically खुद ही एक trap में फंस जाता है. How? That is what जो हम यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे. Okay, it's a very interesting, amazing story. Now see, once upon a time there was a man who went around selling small rat traps of wire. He made them himself at odd moments from the material he got by begging in the stores or at the big farms. But even so, the business was not specially profitable. So he had to resort to both begging and petty thievery to keep body and soul together. Even so, his clothes were in rags, his cheeks were sunken, and hunger gleamed in his eyes. Now, once upon a time, what happens? There was a man, एक man था, who went around selling small rat traps of wire. जो वायर के बनाए हुए छोटे छोटे rat traps को सेल करते थे. He made them himself at odd moments. उसे खुद ही बहुत odd moments पे बनाते थे. From the material he got by begging in the stores or at the big farms. और वो मटेरियल उसको कहाँ से मिलता था? He used to beg at small firms. वो small और big firms में begging करता था, stores में begging करता था. वहाँ पे उसको कुछ ऐसा मटेरियल बनता था. With the help of that material, he used to make rat traps and he used to sell. But even so, the business was not specially profitable. और उसका ये जो business था, selling of rat traps, was not a profitable business. So he had to resort to both begging and petty thievery to keep body and soul together. Even so, his clothes were in rags, and even so, उनके जो clothes थे, they were in rags. His cheeks were sunken. उनके जो cheeks थे, वो बिल्कुल sunken side हो गए थे. And hunger gleamed in his eyes. और उनकी आंखों में क्या था? Hunger, भूख. ठीक है? No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond who plods along the road, left to his own meditation. But one day, a man had fallen into a line of thought which really seemed to him entertaining. Now he says that how no one can imagine, कोई person नहीं imagine कर सकता that how sad and monotonous our life can appear. कि इस तरह से जो वेगाबॉन्ड्स होते हैं, वेगाबॉन्ड्स बेसिकली क्या होते हैं? जो घुमक्कड़ किस्म के लोग होते हैं ना, जिनके पास कोई काम नहीं होता. ऐसे एक वेगाबॉन्ड को जस्ट इमेजिन कि लाइफ कितनी सैड और मोनोटोनस लग सकती है. जो प्लॉट करते हैं अलोंग द रोड्स, लेफ्ट टू हिज ओन मेडिटेशन, उन्हें उनकी मेडिटेशन के लिए छोड़ दिया गया. बट वन डे दिस मैन हैड फॉलन, बट एक दिन ये जो मैन है ना, हैड फॉलन into a line of thought, उस line of thought में चला गया, सोच विचार में. क्या सोच विचार हुआ वहां पे? Which really seemed to him entertaining, and which thought was very entertaining for him. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps. बहुत ही naturally he was just thinking about what? The rat traps. When suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world about him, the whole world with its land and seas, cities, villages were nothing but a big rat trap. Now he says कि ये जो पूरी दुनिया है ना, उसको थॉट क्या आया कि ये जो पूरी दुनिया है उसके आसपास, चाहे वो दुनिया लैंड हो, सी, सिटीज, विलेजेस, एवरीथिंग, ये कुछ नहीं है, but they are just a big rat trap. Now it had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits for people. और ये जो वर्ल्ड है ना, इसके एग्जिस्ट होने का और कोई रीजन नहीं है. इट जस्ट एग्जिस्ट कि टाइम टू टाइम ना पीपल को बेट्स डालता रहता है. बेट्स इन द सेंस कि चारा डालता रहता है. नाउ इट्स अप टू अस कि हम उसको, लालच को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि नहीं. वंस वी गेट ग्रीडी और नॉट, इट ऑफर्स रिचेस एंड जॉयज, शेल्टर एंड फूड, हीट एंड क्लोथिंग, exactly as a rat trap offers cheese and pork. And as soon as anyone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, it closes on him, and then everything comes to end. So the life offers us what kind of baits? Riches, joys, shelter, food, heat, clothing, and exactly जैसे कि rat trap, what does it do? It offers cheese and pork. And as soon as one rat is tempted towards it and touches the bait, the rat trap closes on him, and then everything comes to an end. So it's story about a man who was selling rat traps made of wires, and from where he got those wires? He was a very poor man who just went around selling rat traps. उसे वो wires कहाँ से मिलती थी? By begging in the stores and big farms. And this was his business, to make rat traps and sell them. But it was not specially profitable. So उसे अपना खर्चा करने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता था? बेगिंग करनी पड़ती थी, कभी कभी छोटी मोटी चोरी भी करनी पड़ती थी, in order to keep the body and soul together. Now even so, we can see कि उस man के clothes, they were just in rags, फटे हुए थे. The cheeks were sunken and hunger was gleaming in his eyes. And no one can imagine कि कितना सैड और मोनोटोनस लाइफ अपीयर हो सकती है ऐसे एक वेगाबॉन्ड के लिए. ठीक है. Now once just thinking, once he went into a thought, and that seems to be entertaining. And what was the thought? That his rat traps. Now suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world about him, the whole world, land and seas, its cities and villages were nothing but big rat traps. So once it keeps on offering us, and once we get tempted and we just go, and we can see even though we touch the bait now, the trap closes on us. Similarly like the rat trap. The world had of course never been very kind to him. इसमें लास्ट में बहुत अच्छा क्यूरियोसिटी डेवलप हो जाएगी इसको सुनते सुनते. You will be curious to know कि लास्ट में जाके एंड में क्या होता है. The world had of course never been very kind to him, so it gave him unwanted joy to think ill of it in this way. It becomes a cherished pastime of his. During many dreary ploddings, to think of people he knew who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare, and of others who were still circling around the page. Now, ये जो वर्ड है ना, had of course, वो कभी भी इतना kind नहीं था to him. So it just gave him unwanted joy. इसने उनको क्या दिया? Unwanted joy. To think ill of it in this way. बहुत ही अनवांटेड सा जॉय था उनके लिए. वो बोला कि मैं दुनिया के बारे में कुछ भी सोचूं ये बहुत ही अनवांटेड सा जॉय था, बिकॉज द वर्ल्ड ऑफ कोर्स मेरे साथ कभी भी काइंड नहीं रहा है. एंड इट जस्ट बिकेम द चेरिश्ड टाइम पास उसके लिए हो गया. दैट ड्यूरिंग मेनी ड्रेरी प्लॉडिंग्स वो सोचता रहता था ऑफ पीपल he knew who had led themselves, वो लोग जिन्होंने अपने आप को इस डेंजरस स्नेयर में फंसा लिया. डेंजरस स्नेयर रेफर्स टू व्हाट? द ट्रैप्स, रैट ट्रैप्स. And others who were still circling around the page. कुछ लोग तो जो लालच के चक्कर में फंस चुके हैं, एंड कुछ जो उस लालच के आसपास चक्कर काट रहे हैं, वेरी सून वो फंसने वाले हैं. तो ऐसे जो थे वो उन्होंने वो उसमें देख रहे थे. Okay, now one dark evening he was trudging along the road. He caught sight of a little grey cottage by the roadside, and he knocked on the door to ask shelter for night, nor he refused, instead of the sore faces which ordinarily met him. The owner, who was an old man without wife or child, was happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. Immediately, he put the porridge pot on the fire and gave him supper. Then he carved off such a big slice from his tobacco roll that it was enough both for the stranger's pipe and his own. Finally, he got out an old pack of cards and played the majolice with his guest until bedtime. Now, one dark evening, he was just trudging along the road and he caught the sight of a little grey cottage. He kept by the roadside and he knocked on the door to ask what? To ask shelter for the night. Nor he refused. Instead, इतने सौर फेसेस जो दिखाई देते ऑर्डिनरली he used to meet them. जो ओनर था ना इस लिटिल ग्रे कॉटेज का, he was a man and he was an old man without wife or child. And वो बहुत खुश हुआ that this in phase of loneliness at least I have someone to talk. Now immediately he put the porridge pot on the fire and gave him supper. और खाना बनाने के लिए रखा उसके लिए. Now then, from a tobacco roll, he just cut a big slice, rolled it, and it was enough for both stranger's pipe and his own. Finally, he got out an old pack of cards and they played majolice with his guest until bedtime. वो लोगों ने खेला. So what he did? Now, once out on the walk, जब वो बाहर walk पे था, trudging था along the way. So he found that there is a little grey cottage by the roadside. उसने रात को shelter के लिए दरवाजा knock किया. Normally he used to have refusal, but आज ना acceptance था ना refusal थी. So, but still, a man who was the owner of that house, he was not having wife and children, and वो बहुत अकेला रहता था. So today he was very happy that at least I got someone to give me company. So he welcomed him inside. And when he entered, immediately he put the porridge pot on the fire and उसके लिए खाना ready किया. Then he carved off such a big slice from his tobacco roll, and it was enough for both the stranger's pipe and his own. Finally, he got out an old pack of cards and they played what? They played majolice and with his guest until bedtime. The old man was just as generous with his confidences as with his porridge and tobacco. The guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity, his host had been a crofter at Ramso Iron Works and had worked on land. Now that he was no longer able to do a day labor, it was his cow that supported him. Yes, that bossy was extraordinary. She could give milk for the creamery every day, and last month he had received all of the 30 kronos in payment. Now he further says what? He says that the old man was just as generous. वो बहुत ही अपने कॉन्फिडेंसेस के साथ में with his porridge और tobacco के साथ में जैसा था ना, so he was very generous with everything. Now he just informed the guest about himself. So he said that I am a man. In my days of prosperity, I used to work at the Ramso Iron Works as a crofter and had also worked on land. Now, as I am no longer able to do day's labor, so it is my cow that supports me. Now he says, yes, that bossy was extraordinary. वो तो कुछ अलग ही है. How come अलग है? That the cow used to give milk for the creamery every day, and last month from that particular milk of the cow, I got 30 kronos in payment. I got how many? 30 kronos. At that time, जो उनकी currency थी, in that 30 kronos were very much. Now, further he says the stranger must have seemed incredulous, for the old man got up and went to the window, took down a leather pouch which hung on the nail in the window, very window frame, and picked out 3 wrinkled 10 kronos bills. These he held up before the eyes of his guest, nodding knowingly, and then stuffed them back into the pouch. अब क्या हुआ? This is the first kind of bait, लालच. पहला लालच मिला उसको life. And what was this first लालच? That stranger जो था ना, he must have seemed incredulous. For the old man, तो वो खड़ा हुआ and went to the window. Old man just stand up, went to the window, took down a leather pouch that was hung on the nail. वहां पे window frame के पास में कील लगी हुई थी, उसमें वो टंगा रहता था, वहां से उसको लेके आया leather pouch and picked out 3 wrinkled 10 kroner bills निकाले, उसमें से notes निकाले. Then उसने उनको अपने गेस्ट की आंखों के सामने दिखाया. So this is the kind of लालच. Now a man जो आपका गेस्ट है, he do not have enough to eat, he do not have a house to live in, he further do not have, we can say, उसके पास में और एक्स्ट्रा बहुत सी चीजें नहीं है, like proper shelter नहीं है, proper clothes नहीं है, proper home नहीं है. Thief वो अपने आप में है, कभी कभी minor thefts कर लेता है. So this is what. तो जब इतनी सारी चीजें थी, तो ऐसे पर्सन को if you are showing what, if you are going to show them the bait, so obviously बात है कि वो कहीं ना कहीं उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट तो होंगे. ठीक है. So nodding knowingly, अब उसको दिखा दिया, and knowingly nodding, he stuffed them back into the pouch and he hung it at the same place from where he has got them. Next day, both men got up in good season. The crofter was in a hurry to milk this cow, and the other man probably thought he should not stay in bed. When the head of the house had gotten up, they left the cottage with the same time. The crofter locked the door and put the keys in his pocket. The man with the rat trap said goodbye and thank you, and thereupon each went his own way. Now next day both the men got up in good season. अच्छे से happy mood में दोनों के दोनों, they just woke up. Crofter जल्दी में था because he has to milk his cows, and other man probably thought that when the head of the house has gotten up, so it's not good कि मैं अभी बिस्तर में पड़ा रहा हूँ. They left the cottage at the same time. उन्होंने cottage को same time leave किया. क्रॉफ्टर ने डोर को लॉक किया एंड पुट द कीज इन हिज पॉकेट, और कीज को अपनी पॉकेट में डाल दिया. द मैन विद द रैट ट्रैप सेड, उसने गुड बाय एंड थैंक यू बोला, और वो दोनों अपने अपने रास्ते चले गए. एंड देयर अपॉन ईच वेंट हिज ओन वे. क्रॉफ्टर अपने रास्ते चला गया एंड जो हमारा रैट ट्रैप सेलर था वो अपने रास्ते चला गया. But half an hour later, the rat trap peddler stood again before the door. But half an hour later, what happened? This rat trap peddler was once again standing again before the door. He did not try to get in. उसने कोशिश नहीं की to get inside again. He only went up to the window, smashed a pane, stuck in his hand, and got hold of the pouch with the 30 kroner. He took the money and thrust it into his own pocket. Then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in its place and went away. Now, but half an hour later, what happened? जो rat trap peddler थे, he stood again before the door. उन्होंने try नहीं किया to get in, कोशिश नहीं की to get inside. However, he did. He only went up to the window. However, उन्होंने क्या किया? He only went up to the window. He just smashed the pane, stuck in his hand, and हाथ अंदर डाला and he just got hold of the pouch with the 30 kronors. वो pouch जिसमें कितने kronors थे? 30. Okay. He took the money and thrust it into his pocket. उसने वो पैसे निकाले अपनी pocket में डाले and later what he did? उसके बाद में then he hung the leather pouch again very carefully back in its place and went away. वापस उसकी जगह पे रख दिया and he just went away और वो वहां से चला गया. Now as he walked along with the money in his pocket, he felt quite pleased with his smartness. He realized, of course, that at first he dared not continue on the public highway, but must turn off the road into the woods. During the first hours, this caused him no difficulty. Later in the day, it became worse, for it was a big and confusing forest he had gotten into. He tried to be sure to walk in a definite direction, but the paths twisted back and forth so strangely. He walked and walked without coming to the end of the wood. And finally, he realized that he had only been walking around in the some part of the country. All at once, he recalled his thoughts about the world and the rat trap. Now his own turn had come. He had let himself to be fooled by a bait and had been caught. The whole forest, with its trunk and branches, its thickest and fallen logs, closed in upon him like an impenetrable prison from which one could never escape. So see, as he walked along with the money in his pocket, he felt quite pleased. वो बहुत ही pleased feel कर रहे थे with his smartness. And he realized, उन्होंने क्या realize किया? That of course, that at first तो उन्होंने dare नहीं किया to continue on the public highway, but then must turn off the road into the woods. तो उसको लगा that I have stolen someone's money, that if I go on the main roads or we can say the highway, so there are chances of me being caught up. So it's better I should turn the road. Now he turned the road and which road turned into the woods. During the first hours, this caused him no difficulty. Later in the day, ये situation worse हो गई. Why? For it was a big and confusing forest. ये बहुत ही big और confusing forest था. Which directions? But the path twisted. Definite directions थी. Now he tried to be sure and he walked in the definite direction. And the path जो थे वो twist हो रहे थे back and forth इतना strangely that he walked and walked without coming to the end of the wood. वो चलता गया चलता रहा, जंगल end ही नहीं हो रहा. And finally he realized, finally what he realized? Finally he realized that he had only been walking around in some part of the forest. All at once he recalled his thoughts about the world and the rat trap. Now his baits had been caught. Now by the bait, now he was being fooled by the bait and he had been caught. The whole forest with its trunks and branches, पूरा का पूरा forest with its trunks and branches, its thickest and fallen logs, उसके thickest उसके fallen logs, closed in upon him like an impenetrable prison from which he could never escape. Now he says that the whole forest with its trunks and branches, its thickest and fallen logs, जो भी था उस forest के अंदर, closed in upon him like the impenetrable prison. वो जंगल उसके लिए वैसा ही impenetrable prison बन गया, impenetrable prison जिससे आप नहीं बच सकते, अब वो ऐसा prison हो गया जिससे आप बच के भाग नहीं सकते, from which he could never escape and you will never be able to escape from it. So we can say that this whole world is a rat trap and आप कहाँ फंस गए हो? Once you get attracted towards a bait, baits that will continuously being offered to you in this world. तो अगर आप उससे attract हुए and if अगर आप उससे attract होकर उसके चक्कर में पड़ गए, then very soon because of your selfishness and this जो हम बोलते हैं over believing someone or something, उससे क्या होता है? उससे आप जब trap में फंस जाते हो ना तो you can never escape from it. So the same thing happened here. The man was trapped in this jungle and closed the, we can say, all the fallen logs, all the thickest branches, trunks, everything was closed in upon him, and it had made an impenetrable prison. And that prison from which he could never escape. He is not able to escape from any prison. और कौन सा prison? The prison तो basically ये rat trap की तरह जब आप लालच में आके इसमें फंसते हो वो वाला prison. Okay, so the thing is that greediness is capable of ruining one's life. So we should never be greedy. We should always have a thought of charity and love towards each other. We should help the needy. Then only we can say that we are going to benefit the society in some or the other way. Then only you will be the one जो इस trap में नहीं फंसोगे. If you will be miser, I can say, तो आप कहीं ना कहीं पे इस trap में फंस जाओगे. And this trap is like an impenetrable prison. And once you got trapped into it, you will never be able to escape from it. Okay. So this is, we can say, this is all for today. यहीं पे इसको छोड़ेंगे. And tomorrow we'll start with the next, जो आगे का इसका continuation का part है, we'll start with it. So tomorrow, आज के लिए इतना ही, and we'll be continuing it in tomorrow's class. Okay.